Wow! Look at this massive mountain of plastic. The journey starts right here.
Up they go, millions of bottles moving faster and faster.
Dropping into the belly of the beast. Get ready for the crunch. Shredding time. Turning trash into tiny treasures.
Beautiful. It looks just like colorful confetti raining down.
Keep them flowing. Every single piece counts.
Bath time. Scrumming away all the dirt with this super foam.
Rinse it out. Look how clean and shiny they are becoming.
Blasting it with high pressure. Pure cleanliness.
Washing down the river of recycling. Next stop, the heat.
Into the steam chamber. Let's evaporate that moisture.
Hot, hot, hot. Drying them up perfectly for the melt.
Look at them dance. Shaking off the last drops of water.
Flawlessly clean. It's like a waterfall of gemstones.
Funneling down into the system. Get ready for the next stage.
Pushing right into the inferno. It's about to get incredibly hot.
Melting point reached. Watch the solid turn into liquid lava. Unbelievable. It looks exactly like flowing lava. Smooth and glowing. The pure essence of recycled plastic. Pouring the golden liquid into the vat. The scale is mind-blowing.
Magic happens here. Spinning the liquid into super fine threads.
Cooling down instantly. From fire orange to ice white in seconds.
Stretching them out. Making the threads strong and perfectly smooth.
Just like a waterfall of pure white silk.
Winding them up into giant spools. Ready for weaving.
Look at this precision. Thousands of threads aligning perfectly.
Weaving the fabric mesh. So fast, it's a blur.
Rolling out pure, white, athletic fabric. Flawless. Next stop, the dyeing room. Let's add some color to this canvas.
Dipping into the crimson bath. Say goodbye to white.
Squeezing out the excess dye to lock in that vibrant red.
Steaming it hot to set the color deep into the fibers.
Washing away the extra dye with high-pressure jets.
Fire and heat. Drying the fabric instantly to perfection.
Look at that beautiful, smooth, crimson red fabric.
Precision cutting. The robot blade slices through layers easily.
Slicing through like butter. The jersey shapes are coming to life.
Carving out the collar. Everything is fully automated.
every millimeter matters. Precision is the key to a perfect fit.
Stitching it together. The jersey is finally taking its shape.
Automated sewing magic. Clean, tight, and unbreakable seams.
Wow. An endless army of red jerseys on the march.
Lining up perfectly, they are heading straight to the printing press.
Smash it down. Pressing the iconic number 7.
And lift. Behold the perfect number 7. It's beautiful.
Laser scanning activated. AI checks every single millimeter.
Quality control passed. 100% flawless and ready to go.
Folded perfectly and hitting the conveyor belt. What a journey.
Almost there, moving smoothly into the final packing station.
Unbelievable. From plastic bottles to this endless sea of red jerseys.
Wrapped in plastic to keep them pristine and perfect.
A symphony of engineering and recycling.
Floor to ceiling, packed with eco-friendly apparel.
Hundreds of thousands of bottles saved from landfills.
It's hard to believe this used to be plastic waste, right?
Sorting and routing to their designated destinations. A masterpiece of modern recycling technology.
Feel the quality. Breathable, durable, and totally sustainable.
Stacked high and ready for the fans worldwide. From garbage to glory. This is the future of recycling.